Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty, it's your man Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com, and I'm going to cut straight to the chase with this one. I wanted to make this quick testimonial video for the Partner with Anthony program, and just to give you a little backstory, I've been in the industry for over 10 years, trying to make money from home with different products and services. I went from network marketing to what now I truly believe is king, affiliate marketing. Now, over the course of those years, I've taken hundreds of trainings, most of them free, a lot of them paid. But this right here, this Partner with Anthony program, is the first program that I actually got results from. And it hasn't even cost me a tenth or even 100th of what it cost those other programs combined. So better than just saying something, I'm going to show you some actual proof. And this is an email I recently got when I got my first sale from the Partner with Anthony program. Little over 30 days. The program itself is 30 days long. I've completed it, and I look forward to more success.